I studied at Ray Cochrane because I saw how professional it was, and I thought for me that was what I needed to come out with the best qualification that I could. The way that they brought me in and knew that I was maybe going to struggle with a few things like the anatomy and physiology, I knew that they would take the time to really process those with me. I always liked doing things when I was younger. I only studied when I was 18. There was people in their 40s, there was a few girls 28. So I did the CIDTAC and the CIDESCO. I really enjoyed the massage and the facial part. I found like my technique really came through then, especially for my facials. The part that I found for the anatomy and physiology, that was just what blew me away. Learning every single system of the body, the endocrine system, some of it I didn't even know existed, and I was like, oh my god, there's so much more to beauty. Some things you don't learn, you know, until you're actually one-to-one with patients, and that is what my job is, being every hour of the day with someone new. And for me, that was really important to know to present yourself well, to be polite, and to always give your most professional part of yourself to every single person. My favorite treatment to perform would be PRP, so that's plasma-rich therapy. So I would be treating patients using their own plasma, and it's commonly called the vampire facial. Seeing the results come through with patients is where the passion comes through. I always want them to come back and they say, oh my god, my skin's so different. When I graduated my CIDTAC, I went straight into learning. I did a Saturday job on the side, so I carried on my CIDESCO course. I was working in a clinic which had cosmeceutical products. I was doing some advanced facials. That was a good stepping stone straight from college. Then after that, I went to Australia. I was working in a clinic that covered skin cancers, sun damage, obviously, and it was a really good clinic to work for, using different techniques. So that was where I was first introduced to lasers and to different medical issues. After that, I came back, and me and my colleague Mina, we were talking. She said that there was a brilliant job here, and I just knew that I didn't want to go back into a spa or into something like that. It's just completely not me. So I came into Udelo, where I work now. I've been here for a year, and it's been the best path that I put myself onto so far. I guess mainly what I achieved from it was the highest qualification that you can get in beauty therapy as CIDESCO. I qualified with distinction. I also qualified as Student of the Year, so it proved to a lot of employers that I was willing to work hard. But not just the qualification, I had a whole molding of a core knowledge of foundation, and I knew that I could use that to my advantage. I had the confidence in me to go into any job and knew that I wasn't going to disappoint them. That is worrying when you first go and look for a job, because you think, oh, it's my first job in this industry, but I didn't feel that way at all. I had the confidence in me, so I'm very grateful that Ray Cochrane gave that to me.